Hi, my name is Jingdu Wang. I'm an associate professor in the Asian University. I make this representation is applying for the AWS Education Cloud Ambassador. And indeed, in the 2018, I have passed the training and the certification for the architecting on the AWS. And I also joined the AWS academic program. And the last year, I visited Amazon Xi'an in China. And I also be one of the candidate referee for cloud computing in the national technique competition. And I also have several certifications for cloud computing. And I also for the virtual technique with the VMware. And for the big data management and the infrastructure of the Hadoop certification. So why I was involved with the cloud computing? Because I need to handle the big data. In the last 4 years, I teach many courses related to cloud computing and the big data management. But the biggest problem is for I teaching this course is after class, the students have no enough hardware to finish their real big data project. So I surveyed several cloud service provider company. For example, the Microsoft Azure, Google platform. But the problem need to solve in advance is the student didn't have the credit card such that they can make a registration. And another problem is this cloud service company will ask you to estimate the free quota for them to use, and you need to apply it in advance. So it's nice for the AWS education program to provide the tool for us to use. And indeed, I am an administrator in the Asian University for the AWS education program. And for my research, I have just passed a US patent in last year. This is the method for extracting MapReduce data and computing frequency distribution table. Indeed, is mining from the text sequential data. With this technique, we can have the text archaeology, and we can apply to the DNA sequence. We can reduce the phenotype and the genotype. And we also can apply this sequential data for handle the traffic transportation. And here is my publication. So when we apply to this to sequential data, it's not a small data, but a big data. So when we handle this big data, we need cloud computing to support the computation. So it's my honor to be one of the AWS Education Cloud Ambassador, because my research is highly related to the AWS EMR. And the AWS also can support my class for my student to challenge the big data management and the cloud computing practice. So I'm seeking for the support and cooperation with the AWS. So thank you for listening.